2 Timothy chapter 3, verses 1 through 5. I'll be using the New Living Translation Bible. The Apostle Paul said, "You should know this, Timothy, that in the last days there will be very difficult times. For people will love only themselves and their money. They will be boastful and proud, scoffing at God, disobedient to their parents, and ungrateful. They will consider nothing sacred. They will be unloving and unforgiving. They will slander others and have no self-control. They will be cruel and hate what is good. They will betray their friends, be reckless, be puffed up with pride and love pleasure rather than God. They will act religious, but they will reject the power that could make them godly. Stay away from people like that." Sounds like today, doesn't it? What he described, he's describing narcissists. And this world is full of them now. Bible prophecy is being fulfilled.